Hello guys, this is Chef Dennis M. Once again, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you have a new recipe. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive all the updates that I give to my YouTube channel. And today we have a new recipe where we will be preparing fluffy pancakes. We will go to our ingredients. We have flour, we have sugar, we have salt, we have some baking sodas, we have milk, 2 eggs, and oil. And we will start by mixing our ingredients. We will start by putting our eggs. We will break our 2 eggs. Whisk them together. Now we whisk them. I will add milk while mixing. That's enough. Then we'll add sugar. Add some salt to taste. We want our pancake not to be sweet, not that much salty. Now I'll add my baking soda together with flour. I start by pressing my baking soda. Then while whisking, then I will be adding my flour. It's better to start with baking soda because you might forget it, and the end product of our pancakes won't be fluffy. Mix well. Should have a smooth pouring mixture. Then we'll add a few teaspoons of oil. And whisk. And our mixture is ready for making on the pan. Here is my fluffy pancake. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share and like my YouTube videos. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure you will enjoy it. It is very much simple. Until next time, bye bye.